Inside the Magic, covering Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Universal Studios, and more.
Welcome! I wanted to see your faces when you saw the workshop for the first time. I know it's a little... it's a lot. To us, it's everything. I see you've met my fellow gatherers. Good. You may call me Kendall. To some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me clarify. Some of this is new junk. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers, because we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. In these troubled times, preserving our past may just ensure the future. Yes. Now, I understand you've all heard the legend of Luke Skywalker. We hear there is another, a new Jedi. Does anyone know her name? Rey. Yes. And what she is doing is leading the spark we have all been waiting for. And that's why you're all here. To look ahead, to the future. Build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of the builder, with the force flowing between. And today, you will feel that connection. But enough chat. Let's begin, shall we? We start with perhaps the most important aspect of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Now, some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the blade. You may know this from some of the great Jedi in our history. Blue crystal, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and of course me. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the blade wielded by Mace Windu. Red. Some call this the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. You will now choose your kyber crystal. My friends, please indulge me. Close your eyes. What color do you see in your mind? Choose your crystal and know that it is equally likely that your crystal is choosing you. Now, open your eyes and take your crystal. Once you have chosen, carefully place it on the green crystal tray on the station in front. Well done. You will now join your crystal to the lightsaber elements you have previously selected. If you have not already done so, place your crystal on the green crystal tray on the station in front of you. Now, you will begin to build your hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control, and the part that keeps your hand from the center. Inside these boxes are the elements of design you previously selected. Take just a moment and be familiar with this. You'll find the chassis, activation plates, grip, emitter, and pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you have chosen your crystal, you will now choose each element of design that makes your lightsaber unique. Should you have any questions at all, the gatherers are standing in front of you to help you. Simply ask them. Now let's build!
My name is Savi. My company are tonight. You're going to start with your chassis and your kyber crystal. The kyber crystal is going to be inserted into the center of the chassis. It should spin out of itself and it should flow and stay. Stand right upright. Perfect. Okay, the next step is going to be your activation plates all the way down to the end. You're going to choose one set and be sure they match. If you look on the front side, there's going to be a blue stripe and a red stripe. They are going to line up directly to that corresponding color on the chest. And it'll snap right into place.
Now we're going to move on to our next chassis. You're going to choose one, two, click on the inside, and they believe for a square.
Alright. Activate it, choose part. Perfect. Okay, next up is going to be your grip. So you're going to choose 2 out of 4. One is going to go above the other 2, and it's going to go below. The wider threaded end is going to be the one that goes towards the middle.
Trust your first choices.
It takes kind of a squeeze and a firm grip as you're twisting. It's about a quarter of a turn, and it should be on your side.
Next one is long-term art.
You're going to move on to your emitter, which is going to go on your top edge. So screw right on the top, open end to open end, and then your pommel cap, which is the one which is going to screw on your bottom end. Helps you just hold it vertically. Alright, then you're having an emitter on this top end right here.
Stunning. Well done. You know what these markings mean.
And then whenever you're ready, you can lay them on the stand in front of you.
Tremendous start. Beautiful work. Matte leather. Mylar marks.
Okay.
Well done indeed.
You're going to push forward on that switch right here, and then your activation is going to be this one right here.
What color crystal do you have? Blue. What crystal do you have? Green. Beautiful design. Well back from your stations and against the wall. Gatherers, please, we are ready. We are now stabilizing your crystal for activation. The last thing you want is a fractured crystal, or in your house you will have many holes in which to put candles, and you might turn your hair the same color as mine. Unpleasant, even. All right. My friends, we move ahead to the third.
With many punch you began. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that final step on this particular journey. We have reached the stage where the saber and the builder are about to be bonded. When I give the word, you will step forward, place your hand on your completed lightsaber, and for the first time, activate. Are you ready? Step forward and activate. Raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and the Sith that have come before you, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Now, please load your sabers.
complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but like your way, it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands you hold remarkable power, and remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. In order to protect your newly constructed lightsabers, we are pleased to offer you a saber sheath as you depart through that door and into the waiting room. Our time has come to an end. Your journey is just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have just built. And next time, we may be telling your stories. Till the spire.
Till the spire.
Till the spire.